The YSH-C18S2 Health Pot is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers 16 different menu options, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of foods such as scented tea, porridge, and soup effortlessly. This electric kettle features a unique design that includes a kettle, stewpot, and infuser, providing 4 distinct methods of cooking and ensuring that your meals are both flavorful and well cooked. With its preset and keep warm functions, the YSH-C18S2 Health Pot can maintain your desired temperature for up to 8 hours, making it convenient for busy lifestyles. Crafted from high borosilicate glass, the kettle and its components are not only durable and resistant to high temperatures, but also aesthetically pleasing and easy to maintain. The Health Pot comes complete with an egg rack, allowing you to cook up to 5 eggs simultaneously, adding to its multifunctional appeal. This product package includes the electric kettle, stewpot, infuser, and a comprehensive user manual, backed by a 1-year warranty and excellent customer service.